There is a lot of competition going on YouTube, so if you want to be successful here, you need to have a clear strategy on YouTube. And also, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to make sure to have this clear strategy from the beginning. In this video, we will talk in detail about the strategy you need to have. And also, I recommend you to watch my other video on how to start a YouTube channel, where I talk in details how to technically and practically start your YouTube channel within one day. I'll put the link up here, so make sure you also watch this video after you watch this one. So here we'll talk about the strategy, and there you can see everything you need to do to start a channel today. For beginners, like a tutorial. You can say a lot of practical information, but you need to have it. And this video, I made more than half a year ago. It was my first YouTube video I made. And you can see that the style of the videos have changed a little bit, but the information is still as important and as valid as today. So I'm sure you will enjoy it as well. And before we dive into the topic, I'll grab something to drink, and I recommend you to do the same. We start with what? What do you want to show on your channel? What is your niche? What is your main topic? And here it's good to choose some proven and profitable niche, so you can see what kind of topics are popular on YouTube. And if you're interested in those topics, you can pick up the same topic and do your own channel. If your niche really down, you can not be sure that you will get a lot of views, because there will be less people interested in your channel. But if this is your passion and this is what you want to offer, then it's also okay. Let it be a small channel, but people who are your audience, they will appreciate it. So first is what you want to offer. The second point is how you want to present the information. What makes you different to other channels? There are a lot of channels on business, and what makes you different? This is the question. And here people use different strategies. They even bring their pets in talking to the camera with their cat on the lap, or with a dog, or even on cooking channels you see things like that, pets running around while people are cooking. So people use any kind of possibility to be different or to be special, and that's important. And at least you should be yourself, because you are unique. Your personality is unique. And if you try to copy others, then there may be that you will lose this, special quality of yourself, this why people would follow you. Your personality is your brand, your personal brand. I have a whole playlist of videos. It's a couple of videos at the moment. I'll link them here or also in the description below. You can check after you watch this video, where I talk about the importance of building your personal brand that you can use in any business. You build your personal brand without starting a business, and then when you start your business, you can use immediately this brand which you have already built. So coming back to YouTube, if you want to make your channel different, you either do something unusual, or at least you keep your personality and you stay yourself, and this way you stay unique, because you are unique. That's pretty sure. So that was why. And now we come to the most important point, which actually many people forget, and this is why you do what you do. Why you decided to start your channel. Maybe it's your it's your lifestyle you want to present. Maybe you want to provide for your family, and this is the way you want to earn money. Maybe there's some important message you want to give to the world. Maybe you want to make this world a better place or something like that. So this why is very important point. And people with similar beliefs, they will very likely watch your channel, yeah, with shared beliefs. So they need to know what are your beliefs. As for myself, I started this channel because I want people to be able to express their creativity, to be able to be independent, to be able to start their own business, to do what they want, to follow their dreams. Yeah. So basically, yeah, so they can then be themselves and be successful at the same time. Because success is not only about business. Yeah, you need to be successful in different fields of your life. And I will talk more about it also in my book that I'm writing now. And yeah, I think it's coming pretty soon, at least in the coming month. And there talk in more detail what you need to be successful. But anyway, I started this YouTube channel because I want people to be free and I want people to be happy. Yeah, this is the main purpose, the main reason why. So when you start your channel, make sure you answer those questions, like what you want to offer, how you want to offer, what makes it different, yeah, and why you want to offer, what are your values, what is your purpose. And this question, why, you need to answer anyway if you want to succeed in life, if you want to succeed in any business, and if you want to succeed on YouTube. I hope you like this video. If you are just starting, this video I mentioned at the beginning, here I linked it now, is very important for you. There are all the practical, all the technical details you need to start your channel today. So good luck. If you have any questions, any, things you don't know how to start, feel free to ask in the comments below. And in any case, if you have any questions about starting a YouTube channel, I would love to hear from you in the comments to this video or in the comments to that other video. So yeah, that was it, and I'll see you next week.